Hi there, I'm Dan with Interplant Sales. I'm going to run a 10-inch South Bend lathe through you here today. This lathe features digital readout, 2-axis. It's got a cabinet base. It's got some tooling with it in the base down here. It's got face plate, some other stuff down there. There's a thread dial on it. There's a 3-jaw chuck with reversible jaws. It's got the heavy-duty cam lock spindle in this lathe. The flat belt drive, which makes it a real nice, smooth running spindle. Yellow. This would be the cross feed. See the cross feed there. In center position here, you can engage the threading lever. For threading. Forward reversing switch on it, that's forward. Reverse. Machine's got a back gear on it. Put the back gear, you flip the back lever in here and you pull this pin out right here. Pull that out and then flip this in. Now it'll be in back gear. Put the back gear on it. And this is a travel dial stop here. And it's got full threading box. It's a good running machine. If you have any questions, give us a call.